Ka kanhun menteri kala ajeng menjeru ya kaplan bakerpang ba sisentrekam nak benta ban ice scheme ban Khang Khyrdep no ya ka maumlo cara semen limited MCCL. Ukon rat kongkal sangma uloong baga Sorkar kelapen kriak ki kam gejam ban Khang Khyrdep no ya ka MCCL berkumta kelawan rak ka scheme ka bakerpang ka ban ai kublai ki Nongtrei lan ya ka VRS. Bar gani ka scheme la menjur hadian ke jing selok bagi Nongtrei jong ka MCCL. Uloong bagi MCCL kena selok berkiseng jogi Nongtrei lem berkiwe-kiwe ban onesoi gikot gisla ban nak ban pendap bagi kam gijam baro ban poish uput ban Khang Khyrdep no ekene ka karkhana penmi dubilat. Uloong ru bagi jing ai ke skim kerpang kan kot syakasis pak Klur tengka na benta ki ars pasan pemut ki Nongtrei jong ke MCCL. Uli thoru bagi Sorkar kan sadiano agi jing don jing baro jong ke MCCL bar uli thoru balai teli ki company ke balapha ki kot kisla ban le ag joint venture ban pen ki embyang ke MCCL kimchen lala setia ban penbyang ya ki jing don kam bar ki kendon ke balabu dak Sorkar jela ban peniat chakmat ya kene kakam.
And this has been an exercise, a very long drawn exercise where the issue has been brought back and forth, and employees have expressed their concerns and brought in I was very close, 205 employees. 205. Yeah, so we have been doing this for a very long time, and the employees are very much aware of the different points. And just to share with you, we have come to this point only after deep discussion with them. So they're just one or two small issues that have to be worked out, which we have approved today, and hopefully discussions will take place with them. So they are all in agreement, and we should be able to move ahead properly. But as I said, that is why we cannot say it's closure, but it's a step at a time. But I'm confident that we'll be able to move forward in the right direction, because this particular scheme and discussion has taken place after detailed discussion with the employees. So keeping all these factors in mind, after exploring all the possible options, we had to come to option number 3, which is C. And as you're aware, the plant has been closed for the last 5 years now, and and it's not producing anything. So therefore, it's a very, very difficult position, and therefore, though tough, and it's not something that we, kind of our first choice, but we had to take this tough decision because it is in the larger interest of ensuring that the employees, their safety and overall, they're taken care of. Otherwise, months and months they have to go without salaries every time the situation they come, and we also feel that it's very difficult for everybody. So we had to take this difficult decision, but as I said, hopefully we'll be able to close this at the earliest. Yeah, so the MCCL package will have a rough implication, plus minus, as I said, because it has to be now finally ironed out and signed with the employees. So those, I cannot give out too many details, but with the employees and the liabilities put together, it's approximately 100 plus crores.